चलो 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 कुंदू बोलो.
Yeah, good morning, friends. My name is Abhinav Kundu, and I am really glad that I got the opportunity to start the discussion today. So, our topic
Recording on
is
किया है? Sorry to interrupt you.
okay. Our topic is that SBI merged with associate banks. So, it is good or not? According to me, it is a very interesting topic. We should know that why banks really merge. Okay. So, first of all, merging happens so that the larger banks might not be might not continue when there is some kind of what to say some kind of vulnerable global economic crisis occurred. That time the smaller banks can survive. Okay, it is not a it is a very temporary relief, but at that particular time it can survive. So according to if merger happens, then what will happen, there will be improvement of resulting efficiency, and many things will be more helpful. And it is really difficult for small banks to happen merger currently, merger very fast, because according to the market share, it does not it cannot gain that much faster than the higher bank. So uh, I request all my friends to give their views on the topic, so that we can do the GD successfully.
Yes, all your points were good, but the one point that the larger bank needs to merge with a smaller bank. Uh, I want to add some points to it that the banks merge whenever there is a recession in the bank or in the country. Whenever the bank is in a high debt of or the bank which have a lot of bad loans, they are merged with another larger bank by the government so that they can be saved, because many people's trust are lying with the bank which they have opt to deposit their money. If that bank will not survive, the trust of the people will die. So to save those things, government enters into the matter and merge that the bank which is in uh,
Clearing further more points, our point of discussion is should SBI merge with
yes, yes,
associate banks or not?
I'm
So
coming on
please
that.
put that point.
I'm coming on that. First I have to give background of the topic, what
Ah,
is
yes, yes, it is
merging
clear.
of
It is clear.
banks.
Now come to the point.
Yes. So the government gets into the action and merge the smaller bank into the larger bank to save them. So it is good only when it is needed, not always, because if the all the banks will be merged under a same bank, SBI, there is already a bank RBI in which under which every bank comes. So there is no need to merge another bank, means make another head of the bank's SBI, because as we know the services of SBI are really slow. If all the banks will be merged with SBI, same will happen with the other banks. So we can't take that risk. We
Currently SBI has merged with 5 banks.
Can you name the banks?
Actually, I don't have that information, but I know that it has currently merged with the 5 associate banks. So, if
Um,
you have the knowledge, you can share that.
Yes, yes, I don't have such knowledge because SBI does not need to merge with other banks because SBI is already a very huge organization. It has to handle many more things. It has to handle huge manpower, huge resources with some lots of workload, currency exchange, productivity of the employee. They are already facing such a huge crisis in within the organization. They have the manpower which with less efficiency. So if they are merging with other banks, this may result to a great loss because as already they are facing such issues of shortage of cash or means collection cash counter, and the inquiry section is very poor in the SBI. They are already facing such issues. The customers are not really satisfied with the services of SBI. So rather merging with other banks, SBI should improve its own services, should focus on improving its own services. It's not a good idea to merge with other associate bank, because SBI is handling very huge number of customers. They are. Hmm.
Okay, if what you are saying that if SBI merge with another bank, the employee of the other bank will be also associated with the SBI. So how will
Yes,
the
yes,
manpower
the
be
employee
less?
will be there, but the branch head control of the branch head will be very difficult to control the other employees. Okay, because they are not trainee of the SBI, they are trainee of other banks,
No,
just
no,
like
the
Punjab
branch
National
No,
Bank.
no,
that's the not.
that's
If
not the
Yes,
point.
yes. If as a customer point of view, we are going to such type of banks which are already merged with 5 or 10 number of banks within SBI. So there will be a very huge means procedure. There will be very long procedure of sanctioning of loans, and that thing will be very large because the branch head will be different. The loan sanction, the paperwork will be more because they have to verify each and everything, then give to the higher authority. Though this will be very long process because the
okay,
manpower will.
Anand, one thing. Now, if SBI is single, okay, let assume that SBI is single. Then whenever if then it is merged with some other banks, then that time the efficiency will increase
Why
automatically.
it will merge? Because why the merging will happen? It is already facing the problem. Why it will merge? It rather merging, it's he should train their employees, improve their services. Why merging is important? Merging is not important.
No, because
It
SBI
will,
is really large bank. Okay,
Yes, it
and
is large. So,
some bank
yeah.
are really small. So they
mhm.
so the decision is not only of SBI. It is the decision of government, because the small bank in which the people have deposited money is, if it is in loss, then it will be the loss of people. To save them, they merge banks
SBI
with
is a
SBI.
government bank, so the
Okay.
decision will be directly with the SBI heads.
No, no. The
SBI has the
decision
No,
will
power
be
no,
and
the
from
take.
of
government will
government
take.
also.
How the
The
SBI
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 will be,
has the power to take such decision to merge or not. They have power.
no,
They can take decision.
but as SBI is the government, so they have
Yes,
to
yes.
take
It is a
permission
government
from the
authority.
last decision will be of the government.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes,
last
yes.
decision will
Of
be
course.
of
It
government.
will be a decision. It will be a very what
It
I
will be
can
a
say,
I
very
combined
important
can't
decision.
decision.
remember
It
the
will be a
name. I
combined.
think that UCO Bank was that bank in which SBI has put a lot of money to save them, because UCO Bank was once
Uh,
very going
we
in.
know the SBI tendency. Whenever a bank is in crisis, SBI always come forward and
Yes,
help other small banks. It is
yes.
a very
Yeah.
good thing. That's why I'm saying the merging will what can do that they can be suffering from lot of problem. So
What type
merging
of
is not a
problem
good
can you
idea.
suggest? What type of problem?
The okay, problem. First of all, the problem just like the resources I have taken. If a person want to sanction some loan, okay. So as the newly made bank will be merging lots
No,
of
the
employee
bank which
with.
have been merged is not newly made. It is been established
Obviously,
from a
it will be
lot
a
time.
new bank, no?
No,
It will
no,
be new bank
no,
merged
no,
with.
no new bank is merged. No new bank is
Yes,
merged.
yes.
The
No, no,
bank
I am not
which
saying
will be
that
merged,
a
which will,
new bank, not in that scenario. I'm saying that merging with SBI, 5 banks are merged. So I can say that there is a new bank. No, just say it, just like
no. How can
can
we
we
say
say?
that this is a new bank?
Yes, we can say, we can
No,
say.
no, we can't say.
If
We
No,
can't.
you
if
No,
can't say that
that's
it
not
is a new
logical.
bank. It
we are
is
just
a branch where
imposing a
all the branches
hypothetical
are.
case. We are just imposing a hypothetical case. We are not doing practically anything. Okay, so just my assumptions are there. It's my own assumption. Just a new bank is formed with SBI and 5 other banks. So the employees are there working. But when a person wants to sanction some loan, there are lots of paperwork. They have to verify each and everything. What about the existence customer of other banks who are merged?
Yes. Okay. Now I am
The
giving you one example.
please, let me put my point. It
Okay.
is a very interesting point. The existence customer of other banks, in whatever way, what method they have they have collected the paper documents, that is not known to SBI. Okay, SBI has some other terms and conditions, and other banks are having some other terms. They all follow the RBI regulatories, I know, but they are private banks. They are using some different regulations. Their document verification is different. So if SBI having some proper documentation, and the other banks have not taken the application through proper documentation, so it may lead to some scam or some irregulations. So what I want to say that the paperwork will be different now.
Okay,
So how we can
you
fix
okay
existence
for
customer?
okay for this point I want to add something, that
Yes, yes,
if a
welcome.
bank is being merged with another bank, then
Mhm.
the bank which is being merged must be in a very bad situation. It must be
Yes,
going
of
into
course.
a recession or something in loss. That's why they are merging it.
Merging is
Okay,
not the solution. Na? He
okay.
can give the cash,
Okay,
whatever the
now no
problem
no
will be there, he
I
can
am
support.
I am telling
Yes, yes.
now so if the bank is being in loss, so they can be closed any moment. Okay,
Mhm.
they can be closed any moment. The
Mhm.
customers which are joined with them, what will be
Mhm.
happen with their money if that bank is closed? Who will
Mhm.
give them money?
Money will be nowhere. Money will go nowhere. Their money
How
will
will
be safe
if the
as
monies are
as
with?
per RBI. As per RBI, a person who has deposited to any bank who is facing recession, their money is safe. Their money has not gone anywhere. Okay, the money, whatever the money collected or the loans that are already being transacted, is already safe with the RBI. Okay, they
No,
can go to
no, no,
consumer
no, no.
forum.
No,
Yes,
this is
yes,
not the point.
it is
A portion of money will be given to the people. I think I have no knowledge about that.
no, no, no.
But the
They
all
will be
not
given
all the money,
uh,
because the money are kept from the
bank.
bank.
Bank
And
is
if the
facing
bank now
recession and
let
bankrupt.
me speak. I have given you chance to speak now.
Yes, yes, yes. Just I want to include 2 points. Bankrupt and bank recession. Those are both different points. You are merging these 2 points.
No, I am
Your
telling
point of view
or.
are merging
I
these.
am not merging. I am telling
Yes,
or.
yes. Your
If the
point of view are
bank
going in that
is
direction.
in loss or.
Anand, one thing I want to say to you that you are saying that the total amount of money will never be given. Okay.
Atul was on the way of completion. Please let him complete.
Yes,
Then
okay.
I will.
Okay, okay,
So
okay,
I
okay.
was telling that it is better for a customer to get a new policy than the loss they will face if the bank is in the loss or the bank is closed. So they will definitely agree with the point that okay, SBI will take the bank, and our money will be safe, and the bank will also be also be safe. The name also will not change of the bank, because the name will also be the same as it was before the merging. So there will be no, but the only thing is that SBI will control not that bank. Everything will be same in that bank. The only one changes will be there, that the bank will be controlled by SBI. This will be the only thing. And one more point, you said that the customer will face problem, so I will add you a one point. I will give you example. Have you heard about Jaguar? It
Yes,
was a
of course.
foreign company, but as it was going into loss, so Tata
Tata
bought it.
purchased it.
So
Mhm.
Tata bought it. Do that affect any customer means what is it? Satisfaction customer? Does
Mhm.
any customer face problem about that, now
Mhm.
the Jaguar is
While
from
purchasing
foreign
a
country,
car,
it is
there
into
is a
India,
requirement of
still
certain
the
number of
Jaguar is
documents.
bought the same way it was before?
But buying a car and buying a loan or sanctioning some transaction in banks are both different
No,
things.
I am giving you
There is a
example.
lot
No,
of
they are
paperwork
how they are
documents
different.
required.
In both, the money of
There
the
is
people are on the
there is
risk.
a lot of paperwork required, Atul. There is a
In
lot of
buying car
documents required.
also,
No,
you have to.
that is a limited number of contact. Their verifications are certain. Their verification, what they do to the customer, are some in within the limit. But while you are getting some loan from the bank, there are a number of IDs you have to give. You have to verify a lot of things. And the policies what SBI are following are different from the other bank. What I want to say, the policies are different.
So that what I am saying, that there will be no
Hmm.
change into the bank. The only thing will be changed will that the bank will be now controlled by SBI, and the
They
money
will
of
be
the
just
people and the
supported
bank
from the
will be
back.
safe.
They will be just supported from the back.
Yes,
There will be
yes,
no change of rules and regulation of anything.
yes.
I am not saying rules and regulation change. I am saying that the existence
Ah,
customer.
whatever the paperwork you are saying, whatever
Hmm.
it is,
That will be
that will
same.
not change in all. That will be same for every
It
bank.
will not change, but it will face a very high means high
Tell me
paper
one
load
thing.
to the
Tell me
SBI.
one thing. Tell me one thing. If some bank is, if you consider Union Bank is merging with SBI Bank, okay.
Mhm.
So now, yeah, the Union Bank where it was placed, where it is all the paperwork has been done, would it move to SBI Bank? Never, never it
Not
will be
clear.
moved.
Not clear. Your points are not clear. Please.
Like you consider that Union Bank, if somebody is taking loan from Union Bank earlier, okay, you are talking about the existing customer,
Mm-hmm.
and the paperwork that they are doing, and now you imagine that they have been merged with the SBI.
Mm-hmm.
So the paperwork that will be done by the Union Bank will be
Mm-hmm.
just verified by the SBI Bank.
Mm-hmm.
There will be no changes.
And
The main paper,
what in
the
case
main
if the loan is
paperwork.
not refunded? What in case if the loan is not refunded by that bank existing customer because their rules and regulation are different? SBI checks each and every SBI checks each and every parameter. They have some ground what in case ground officers. They check each and every possible that the person who is taking loan is he is able to refund the loan in 5 year, 10 year, or he will be not refund. So their policies are different.
No,
But
every
in
bank
certain
does that.
banks, in
No,
private
in
banks,
Every
bank
bank
there
no,
checks
is
no,
your
no.
a
In
background.
common
private banks, their
policy. In
policies are
every
not
bank there
same.
is a common policy. In
It's
every bank
their
there is a
policies are
common
not
policy.
same. I am saying now there are such private banks. There are many Rose Valley banks are there. They have been shut down due to the scams because their paperworks are not up to mark. What I'm saying that the
Name
paperworks
some
are not
bank.
up
Name
to mark.
such banks which has been shut down.
Rose Valley Bank. They have been shut down in my market here due to the scam
Huh,
because their paperworks are
these
not up to
banks.
mark with
See,
RBI.
the
If
banks.
such bank merged with the SBI, what will be happen? There
SBI
will be
will
a
not
huge
merge with
failure.
any bank.
Is
SBI
first
will
of all
not merge with
SBI
any
will,
bank. They will also see from which
Any
bank they
bank.
have to merge.
Yes, I know. SBI is not idiot.
whenever they are merging with any of the banks, they will check
Mhm.
the history.
Yes,
Obviously.
yes.
So how you can say that
But
merging?
if in case, I am saying we are all just discussing cases. I am saying one scenario. If such a bank will appear, what will happen? They will get a
The
big failure.
SBI will
No?
reject them. The SBI will reject
What
them because
what
every
SBI will
bank
reject?
have to
The loan is
be.
already passed. The
No,
loan is already passed.
before merging, they will check the
What
history.
he
No, they will check the
what will
papers.
be the
They will
checking
check
of
the
purpose?
papers.
No?
No,
If the loan
because
is
They
not
will
no.
check.
refunded, if the loan is not refunded, the bank will face a loss. Now, what is the purpose of the checking? What I'm saying now?
I
क्या?
can't understand your point.
I am saying that the person has already sanctioned 10 lakh rupees note and my voice is clear
Before
now.
merging, yeah, before
Yes,
merging, you are saying.
before merging from a private bank, just imagine like a Rose Valley Bank. Okay, he has already sanctioned 10 lakh rupees. Okay, and after 1 year, the bank is merged with SBI, and the person is get away from the country. What will be the money refunded money? What he will if the bank will get any refund money? What he will do? He will go and ask that please refund our money? Person is already far away from the country
But now,
because
as it
their
is the
rules and
part of SBI, so it will be the responsibility of SBI.
yes, SBI
Yeah.
will responsibility
How
will be
how
of SBI, but the he will
how?
face bank will face a huge failure.
No, how will bank face a huge failure? It is
Yes, he's
merged with
Tell me
SBI.
one thing. How it will be the responsibility of the SBI?
what you said na the paperwork will be handed over to the SBI. So who will handle? Who will monitor? SBI na.
Before
What
merging,
before and after? I am saying the existence customer, na existence customer of other banks already taken some amount of loan, and if he will failure of the refunding money, who will responsible? SBI, na. That point I am saying.
Huh, that yes, because now
Yes, so
that
that's the
bank is.
point I am saying. Na, ki the failure will be faced by the SBI because he is handling over. So why he
So
will
they,
merge with such
but
banks if
okay,
we
but
have to
okay,
failure?
but okay, okay, but if the bank has a lot of customer which pays the loan at the time, they will merge with the SBI.
But
Then
one
SBI will
customer
also
came up
get
and does
profit.
not refund the 10 lakh rupees. What about that money?
Then what about the persons who paid the loan at the time? What about that person?
You say na, what about that person who has get a scam of 10 crore
And
rupees
now you say na
taking
who
loan?
paid 100 crore loan before the time. You say
That's what I am
no.
saying na.
These
The
are all
existing
these
customer
are
are
all
the
rubbish.
existing customer.
These are all
Yes,
rubbish
these are
things.
valid
No,
point. These are
you have
valid
to
point.
give some
You have
solid
to.
points. No,
Yes,
these are
these
not the
are valid
points.
point. You are. I am just. I am unable to explain you much more because I am not feeling well. But these are valid point. In some day, I will just clear all the point.
No,
Concluding to the
Okay,
area
okay.
in
of
normal SBI,
existing
okay.
customer.
If you are
Yes,
talking
yes,
about the
okay,
scam of
okay.
10 lakh, I will talk
Please
about the
cool
scam
down
of
the
500
chaos. Please
crores.
cool down the chaos. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Everybody is right. Everybody is putting just their own points.
No, no.
This
I
Okay,
has
guys,
to be
it
if
was
no,
considered.
if
a
you are
very
talking about a scam, then I will talk you about 500 crore scam, which were done with the SBI when and SBI is not merging with anyone. So the loss is
Mhm.
faced by SBI only.
What I am saying now, that the point I was saying.
So
Okay,
okay.
okay.
It's
My
okay.
points
So
were
all
not
of you,
clear.
please conclude once more. Anand, please conclude.
First of all, you conclude, na? You were the conduction.
Okay, so according to me, I am concluding that according to me, I am repeating, sorry. According to me, the margin is good sometime when it is required, and there should be the banks that are merging with other banks, they should know what they are doing and whatever they are merging with, so that there will be no loss. So thank you. Please conclude, others. Anand, yeah, Atul, please conclude.
go on, acha, ठीक है,
Atul,
रुको.
please conclude.
So,
I am having breathing
according to
problem.
me, the banks should be merged with another bank only when uh, the the bank which is to be merged is in a great bad loss, or it have a huge bad loan on it. Then only it should be merged, because the people which is joined with the bank, they will face a great loss if that bank is being shut down. Their money will be at risk, and there will be a chaos. So to save this chaos, the banks should be merged. Not, I am not talking about only it should be merged with SBI. It should be merged with any bank, so that
But our
the
topic was on SBI,
no,
Atul.
yes, every bank comes, then SBI also comes in it.
Mhm.
I am talking about it. It can be merged with any bank. It is my conclusion, so I can conclude.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, yes, of course.
so it can merged with any bank, not only SBI. If the bank wants to merge, they can merge. Thank you.
Okay, it's now my turn. On concluding some few points, SBI merging with other bank, associate bank, in my point of view, it's not a good idea, as it is very much necessary to the other bank. If the bank is indeed of help, SBI should do this type of action. But the successfully running banks does not need of merging. They have already been such a huge organization. They have to manage lot of things. So if the bank is running successfully, there is does not need of any merging with associate banks. That was my concluding area. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all.